a pleasure to see you. You have a mic in your pocket. This is a huge moment for all your fans. What does this platform mean to you, and what can fans expect from it?
Well, first of all, it's my first time after a long time, I'm in front of the press. So good to see you guys, as demanding as ever. So,
As demanding as ever with the person who is so hard to get.
I've always been very sweet, but last few years, since I retired and all, I've never attended press conferences and all. So I don't think we have that much of an interaction. So mostly it's, moving around and I see them. So good to see them. About the app, this is almost 1 year back, we were just sitting and the famous thing was, that thoda or, that's how it all started. I'm like, we should do something where we can reward our fans, with something extra, and Single ID was there, so they're like, we will formulate something, what's in your mind. So we spoke about it, and then finally after a year, we are ready with the app, and basically what it does is, it gives my fans a chance to connect with me, and gives them something extra, thoda or, so a bit of glimpse into my life, maybe, a bit more photos, a bit more videos, me maybe riding the bikes, things that I love. And apart from that, whenever they're spending money somewhere, using a card, they can get a bit more extra. So
whenever you spend money next time, think of him. Okay? It's a good person to think of, right?
But don't ask me for money, huh? So, इतने सारे fans के साथ थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Up and beyond what they are actually getting, so a lot of these card services, they have their own reward systems and also. So this is on top of that.
On top of that, you get some exclusive content from MS. You get some, people don't know very much about him personally. He's a very, he keeps his personal life very much to himself, and now he's opening up.
I'll try.
He's going to try and open up.
It's a difficult thing. Few years back, I said, I'll try to use my phone more often. I haven't succeeded at that. I'm still quite the same. So I want to do it. The whole thing is whether I'll be able to not. Only time will tell. But it's a way of saying thank you to the fans. So maybe there's high chances that
intent is there. That's good.
Yes. The process. Now we need to follow the process.
That was a big thing when we were talking about it. Is your desire to give something back, like really give something back. It was amazing. Like see that desire after such a amazing career that you're having. Amazing.
He wanted to come on stage and do it and tell everybody at home that while he was on stage, while he was on MS was on stage, I served him coffee.
It's just hot water.
Oh, it's just hot water. I served him hot water.
Something more.
But MS, what does thoda or? You briefly touched upon it, but what does thoda or mean to you personally? Thoda or?
I don't know about the big cities, the big metros, but I come from Ranchi, which is a small town. Now, of course, being the capital and all, things have changed. But, whenever I used to go, we have, people call it different places. हम फुचका खाते थे, गोलगप्पा, पानी बताशा, पानी पूरी, जो भी आप बोलो. So once you have done eating, you're always like, भैया एक सूखा मिलेगा क्या? And I feel most of us have done that. If you have gone to buy some vegetables, सब कुछ होने के बाद भैया थोड़ा धनिया दे दो, या करी पत्ता, मिर्ची, नींबू. अब क्या है, काफ़ी चीज़ें थोड़ी महंगी हो गई हैं, तो I don't think they give you all of that. But it's our way of always asking, थोड़ा और कुछ, थोड़ा और benefit. And we have seen that after playing for India and all, जो सेल्फी के लिए आता है उसको फोटो चाहिए. People who come for photo at the end they want a selfie. So there's always
जैसे हो रहा था, थोड़ा और एक और sir.
Yeah. So this app that we are talking about, it reflects that in a way. I've briefly spoken about it, and also it gives an opportunity to the various clients, in the sense all the big companies and all, not everybody endorses me or I'm not part of them, but
yes.
In a way they can come up with programs where they want to reward the fans, where the fans, if they are spending or using their credit or debit card in their franchises and outlets, they get some extra off. It can be anything from the range of 1 to 5% up and beyond whatever is happening. So it was I would say a thank you from my side to all the fans who have been right by me through the ups and the downs and saying, thank you very much for being there. And if I can align the clients and you guys where, both of you are benefiting, then why not? So it's a very sincere way of putting things together. How successful it will be, only time will tell. But the general thinking behind it was this.
MS, you have been a cricketer, you're an entrepreneur, you're an entertainer, and by heart you connect very deeply with a middle class mindset. If you had to define yourself today, not just by what you do but how you think, what would you say drives you the most? What makes you tick? What makes you go?
For me, as a cricketer, I always wanted to perform for the Indian cricket team because I've said that in the past also that not everybody gets a chance to represent the country. So for us being athletes, as cricketers, whenever we went on to the big stage or whenever we were touring, there was a chance for us to, bring laurels for the country. And so for me, it was the country that always came first. Now I've retired since 2019. So it's been quite some time. What I've been doing in the meantime is I just want to enjoy cricket for last whatever few years, I would be able to play. I want to enjoy it how I did as a child, when I was in school, when I lived in a colony. 4 o'clock was sports time, so we'll go and play cricket more often than not. But if the weather doesn't permit, we used to play football. So I want to play with the same kind of innocence, easier said than done. So that's what I've been trying to do. But I want to be remembered as a good human being, through my conduct and how I've been around everyone. So for me right now, that's the main thing as to, how neutral or how humane you can be, even going through the ups and downs, because our moods also, they keep on going up and down. We win some matches, you lose some matches, through the same thing. So that's what triggers me as of now. But when I was playing for India, the first and foremost thing was, doing something, contributing where I can help my team win.
Throughout his career, through the ups and downs, the enigmatic smile always remained. What a great brand ambassador you have, I have to say, Bish. But Sanju, we've been talking a little bit about thoda aur. So, in a country like ours where there's the, value for money kind of mindset, are you one of those who waits? We all wait for the best kind of deal, thoda aur, kya discount? You want a good deal, or are you the kind of person who says, what, I'll buy it now and think about it later?
Yeah, it's a funny question, to be honest, I think.
No, it's okay. It is what it is.
Yeah,
There are times.
honestly speaking, I have to learn from my mentor here. So hi to all the medias and thank you for coming.
Very good, Sanju. You're doing very well.
And secondly, answering your question, when thoda or things were going around, like Mahibai was talking about getting some vegetables and fruits and all those examples he was
एक
giving.
एक्स्ट्रा दे दो ना.
हाँ, तो मेरे मन में ऐसा आ रहा था कि जस्ट माहिबाई जब IPL खेलने आते हैं, so people keep talking about when is he retiring. So मेरे मन में थोड़ा और भी है.
Very nice.
So that's the example which I had in my mind. So honestly, everyone, each and everyone here, I think if you ask them the same question, of course our Indian mentality is to get thoda aur. So yeah, I also agree to
Of
this.
course, we all do. Whatever we do and whatever we achieve, there's always that thing of, ये free में मिल जाएगा तो कितना अच्छा होगा. थोड़ा और, something extra
ग्रेस
always.
मार्किंग भी होनी चाहिए.
हाँ जी?
ग्रेस मार्किंग भी होनी चाहिए एग्जामिनेशन.
See, Mahi, you are inspiring people from all professions, but this whole, you're known to be cool under pressure when playing cricket, but in business, in entrepreneurship, in investment, in all of these aspects, do you maintain the same kind of mindset? Because, you're inspiring people everywhere around you. Cool under pressure. Captain.
So
cool.
just
no
try,
pressure.
Just try, we all feel the same kind of pressure, and they always say, the grass is greener on the other side. So we always feel that, his or her life is better. But we all have stress in our life, and what is important is, how you manage that stress, how prepared you are.
How do you manage your stress?
I keep it very simple, and, growing up, we were told you cannot be careless. But I feel in today's environment, it is important to be a bit careless, because you can't worry about each and everything that is happening around you. You cannot, things that are not in your control. If you are only thinking about that, you're not very constructive. So honest, you have to be honest to yourself. You have to be honest to the core. And where it helps is people will keep saying things about you, but you should be honest enough and intelligent enough to differentiate what is important and what is not important. Because if you get carried away with what others are saying, what others are feeling, then that important thing of what needs to be done, often you're not really giving utmost attention to that. So I'm a bit careless in life. I don't give everything my 100% attention, because I feel this is important, that's not important.
Priorities.
Even if I'm listening to something, I can't do anything about it. So what's the point of, giving half an hour or whatever to it? And having a good night's sleep, if I'm well rested, then I have the ability
decisions
to-
you make when you've got a good night's sleep are way better than the ones when you're short
And
of sleep.
also, when you're successful, everybody wants a piece of you in a good way, I'm saying, but you always need to figure out what is good for you. So when I was there, when I was playing, I made sure that, cricket was the core for me. Nothing else mattered. What time I had to sleep, what time I have to get up, what impact it had on cricket. That was the most important thing. All the friendship, or the things, or the fun, or all those can, happen later. But, there's a right time for everything, and I felt if you are able to recognize that, that's the best thing you can do to yourself.
Priorities and setting boundaries, knowing what matters and what doesn't. Okay, so in our country, a lot of people struggle with financial discipline. So, what one tip can you give? One thought you can share as far as a good, healthy financial habit is concerned?
Well, very simple, jitni chadar ho utni pair phalaye to start off. Second, always have a contingency plan,
Yes.
because the reason it's called contingency, you don't know when it's coming, so it's always good. Always make sure you want to grow your money. Don't look to multiply your money, because then the risk reward factor, it becomes slightly unmanageable. So if you keep things simple, and if you have done enough, and if you're looking to grow your money or your assets, and then you'll be fine. So yes, we all want to make the most of where we are as of now, but there's always a risk reward, and often what we do is we see at the reward, but we don't assess the risk as to, yes, if good happens, this is what it will be, but are we equipped enough to handle the bad? And that's sometimes, it's the most important question, because it's hard-earned money that we are talking about. So I feel if we keep these basic principles in mind, we'll do well in life.
Well, you heard it here. Compound, grow your money and spend what you can and weigh out the options, risk and reward. And great advice. Thank you very much. Sanju, you're really good with rapid fire questions. You remember, right? We've done a few together. So this is called a thoda or super over. Okay? And one question for you, and then you decide who's done better. Okay? Big responsibility all of you have, huh? Chalo, Mahi, thoda or adventure. If you could wake up anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would it be?
I'll go to two places. One is New Zealand, because I just love the place. The second would be New Jersey, to one of my friends, because once I'm there, we do nothing. We play golf and we follow the same routine for 20 days.
Lovely. We like that answer. No, that you have a different question.
से आंसर बोल दिया आपने, पहले बताए थे बोले
नहीं बताया नहीं. इसे माही कहते हैं हम.
पहले ही आपने बोल दिया.
No, I love New Zealand. So somebody says, which is that one place? I'm like, I love New Zealand. It's a very beautiful country.
And in New Zealand, everybody just lets you be. Everyone, you can walk the streets and no one troubles you and no one comes for pictures.
And one of the other things is there's nothing that can actually kill a human over there. There are only humans who can kill. Other than that, there are no wild animals, no snakes, no reptiles. So it's a very safe place.
Okay, lovely. Now, आपका सवाल अलग होगा.
हाँ जी.
ये नहीं कि आपको टाइम मिला है सोचने के लिए. थोड़ा और travel, okay?
Yes.
A place you could visit again and again. It's kind of similar but not the same. Thoda or travel. Place you could visit again and again. No New Jersey and no New Zealand.
We'll have to play safe. I think Dubai.
Okay, say why.
Why भी बोलना है?
Why भी बोलना है? Rapidly बोलना है. इसको rapid fire बोलते हैं.
Because Dubai, I have a lot of friends there, and it's like half Kerala when I'm in Dubai.
It's like the honorary capital of Kerala.
Yes,
Malayalam is the second language there.
that is true. Okay, thoda aur business. One industry that you haven't yet but would like to explore.
Defense. I don't know, I just love it. I don't think I can do anything over there, but since it was more like an abstract, I think it will be defense.
Vote for Dhoni as Prime Minister. Just saying.